How to upload files to Google Drive. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive. Log into your account. If you have not logged into your account, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find New with Plus button on bottom right. Simply click on New with Plus button and you'll find all these options. Click on Upload. After you've clicked on upload, simply select the file you want to upload and then press on upload on top right corner of your screen. You can also edit file format or simply name of the file as well. And you're good to go. This is how to upload files to Google Drive. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.